high premium on investments in agriculture, as it is the key to combating hunger and poverty and achieving our goal of food sufficiency and security across the country. That is why I'm pleased at this facility, why I came all the way here just to come here to Hagonoy to see the facility that San Miguel Foods has put up. Because I came here so that we could highlight to other investors around the country and even internationally that there is a way to do this. We have to also explain to our people. We also have to show them that this is the way forward. This is the way of the future. We can no longer depend on the informal production of food in the way that we have depended on for a very, very long time. Because the population density, the geopolitical situation right now, which just became a great deal worse. All of these factors come together, and that is why we have pushed very, very hard to make sure that in the Philippines by itself, we are able to feed our people. We must industrialize our agriculture. Of course, we do not prevent the backyard growing. Hindi naman kinukumpetensya yan. Iba ang merkado nito, iba ang market nito. Dahil ang lalabas dito, hindi dadalhin sa palengke dahil naka-process na, dressed na, frozen na. Kaya't yan ang hindi masasagasaan ang mga small producers. This is what we will have to do to industrialize our agricultural sector so that we are able to provide sufficient food for our people at a price that they can afford. So that is the balance that we are trying to achieve. This kind of facility goes a long way in achieving that. Palagay ko magandang maglagay ka, kung hindi maganda, pero farm province. Para matulungan natin yung farm government, para merong hanap buhay doon, para meron silang food supply doon. So with your help, we will make this island a bastion, not only of peace and security, but also of progress and food sufficiency in the years ahead. Moving forward, rest assured that the government will continue to pursue infrastructure projects and other endeavors that will sustain the socio-economic growth of the entire island of Mindanao, and with that, the rest of the country. Thank you, and I hope that we will all continue to work together to build a more prosperous and progressive Philippines.